Hey everyone, welcome to TradinginDemand. It's Braden, and today I want to show you guys not it's not beautiful trading, it's not great trading, but some of my mistakes and some of my trades I took today that I'm not very proud of, but feel like you guys deserve to see it because I don't want to show the highlights. I want to show everything. My problem today, I overtraded, but before we get into all that, I just want to let you guys know I have a Discord. It's completely free. I try to post my morning plan every day, and I post my commentary when I can. I work also, I have a day job, so I can't always be in here, but I try my best. We have our analysts, we have some text channels, we have people that are in here. So if you guys would like to come check it out, it's in the bio down below, and we can get right into it. So today, let me get back here. I woke up I woke up a lot later than I actually wanted to because my alarms, I guess I slept through them. I had a rough night, I guess. I didn't sleep well. So, woke up not very prepared, I guess, for my day, and I just wasn't feeling the best in general. Um the profiles have changed since when I traded earlier, but I have some screenshots I can show you guys. So, it's no big deal. But my first trade was when we came into supply and there was a low volume node. Alright, so the first trade, this is how my chart looked. You can see we had supply up here. We invalidated it now, but at the time we had supply. So in the supply zone, I was kind of expecting, I shouldn't have done this. I don't know why I did this, to be honest. I was kind of expecting this little rally to keep rallying. Maybe a strong push because we had some decent low volume. Let me pull it down. We had some okay buying, and then we had some strong selling that wasn't really going anywhere. So I decided to go long, targeting just higher and targeting the weekly value high. Yeah. So I went long, got stopped out. Let me see if I can go back. Yeah, got stopped out. Actually, no, I made my first 3 points, and I cut my risk. So when we came back down here, and we did eventually hit my stop, I was only down 0.5 points, so not too bad. Alright, for the next trade, same type of situation. We rallied into supply from coming down here from holding VWAP and holding point of control. We rallied into supply, hit low volume node, and rejected. You can see we have low volume here, and it's just decreasing on the sides. And if we come back down here, we have these moves up, but where's the buying on the delta? There's just no buying. Right here, we got a higher high. It didn't go higher. That's delta divergence. So with delta divergence, we see a ton of selling come in right around here when I took my first profit at 3, so I can cover my risk. We first profit. And for this trade, I made a bunch of mistakes today, honestly. I wanted point of control, and I just closed the trade way too early for no reason. And we can see that after this happened, it made a decent little drop to very low, I believe it was 3774. Let's see. Yeah, very low. It made a decent little drop to very low 2-hour demand. It's gone now, but very upset with that trade. It was not a good trade at all. Our next trade will be, let's just go through here. We have just, it was kind of a choppy day, honestly. Our first trade, we came in supply low volume node plus weekly value area high. I can show you that right here. Weekly profile. If we go back to last week, you can see we had the value area high. So I was expecting for this to hold possibly, and we could be accepted back into value, and we could maybe keep the balance because it seems so choppy. But I got stopped out. Actually, I scratched it because I saw no sellers come in. It was straight buying, and with that, we got stopped out. Down here, I tried to sell Let me see if I can get a good screenshot of this one. Yeah, I think that's it. Yep. I sold from low volume. I was expecting us to drop possibly from this, make another higher low. And we eventually just did not do that. So that was a bad trade. And after that, I wanted to come up here and take a short, but I just wasn't expecting what was happening. We had a bunch of these wicks, so it should have gave me the idea of shorting. So I had this idea, we came here. I was a mess today, honestly. I shorted right here. I cut the trade, and then I shorted here. No, I went long, I'm sorry. I went long here. I'm not sure why, honestly. Not even completely sure why. I don't have any reason. Went long. I think the chart was different at the time. So, yeah. And we just made a bunch of mistakes, bunch of scratching. This should never have happened. Honestly, this is the worst thing that I could do to myself. I should have backed up, took my step back, think about what I'm gonna do next instead of just trying to predict. I eventually did go short here, got my 3.25, and then my stop came down and got hit, and then moved up. Saw some selling pop in, not really any divergences or anything. I just saw that we were in supply and a low volume area. It's not low volume, no, completely. I should probably move that down. There we go. See, we have low volume. We shorted here. I missed my short, honestly. I missed it. I just wasn't on my game today. I'm not sure why. But this is why I have to show you guys, because not every day is beautiful. Made a decent little profit. And this was my biggest mistake. There was no reason for me to close this trade so early. I guess we had some decent buying. We had some buying, but Delta never made a new high. We never made a new high. We never even hit my stop that was up here. I should have said, look at this. This was beautiful. We made a beautiful drop right through point control, right to value area low almost. And it was just a great trade. I would have made up my whole day, been up perfectly, but I just messed up. So, with that being said, I think we haven't made any other trades. Yeah, we haven't made other trades. It's been a very choppy day. We're coming back up. Invalidated the supply, actually. So let's just get rid of that. And today it wasn't horrible. It wasn't great. I'm still profitable on the day because how my system works, but it should have been a lot better. What we can talk about is what I'm expecting for next week. For next week, I'm hoping. Let me get the different chart for you guys. Let me pull this over here. Here we go. So for next week, what I was thinking, we had this area of congestion where we just balanced. We made supply and we pushed down. Let me get that back. Where'd it go? It went away. There we go. This congestion area, we came up, tested it. What I'm thinking we're gonna do possibly is come back up, see around 3920, maybe 388. If we can get above these 3960, we're definitely going 200 moving average. But if we reject this again, then we can come down here and test top this channel, test demand, test anything. Not really going to predict the future, just going to trade what I trade and hope I end up profitable. Because that's really all you can do. But yeah, this is a little shorter video, I think. I try to be as honest as I can and show you guys the real story of my trading, not just the best parts, like I said. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and this is Braden. Bye-bye.